Here are 3 different ways on how you can open the trunk of your Nissan Altima 6th gen from 2019 to 2025. So let's get started with method number 1. So for the first method, you're going to go on the left side of your steering wheel, and one of the buttons here will be the trunk release. Keep press on it during half of a second, and I have already heard the trunk popping. At this point, you can simply lift the trunk, and here we go. That's method number 1. Method number 2 is to take the key fob, and this option right over here where it says hold is the trunk opener. You need to keep it pressed during around 1.5 seconds. Okay, and this will pop the trunk as well. Actually, there is 2 more ways to open your trunk. So another way is to simply go over here. Okay, that's the Nissan logo. You come with your fingers, you're gonna feel there is a button right over there. Push the button and this will open the trunk. And finally, the last method to open the trunk is, well, let's say all of these methods didn't work for you, would be to fold down the rear seats of the car. And obviously, if you cannot open the car, you're probably wondering, how can I fold them since the openers are here? Well, if you go inside of the cabin where the rear seats are located, you're gonna notice this icon over here. Open, and you will need a key, something very long. Maybe if you have long fingers that are also thin, you can slide your fingers inside. There will be a latch. I don't know if you see it. Okay, this latch, you need to push it the way the arrow is pointing towards your left. Let me try to do it with my fingers. Okay, yeah, I was able. So if you have fingers that can fit here, okay, now the seats will be able to fold down. Unfortunately, I have a car seat, so I won't be able to demonstrate, but imagine the car seats are down, and by going inside of the trunk itself, okay, gonna pass like that, you'll find that there is an emergency release right over here. Okay, you'll need to pull, okay, this emergency release, and the trunk will open manually. This is a bit more complicated, and it's mostly only for emergency situations. So this is about it. If this was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.